Hello and welcome back. This is section 8, server methods. In the previous section, we went over helpers and events. In this section, we're going to take a look at invoking methods from the client, securing data on the server, validation, and then CRUD functions, which do the create, read, update, and delete on our database. In this video, we'll take a look at invoking methods from the client, as well as creating a reusable method that you can call from multiple places within your template. We've done this already a few times throughout the application, where we use a Meteor call and pass in a function name like cart.remove. This is the way that you access your server-side functions, and they usually exist inside of a Meteor methods block. So this is where we put our cart.remove, and then you're able to call that. Now, if you wanted to click on multiple different things within the template and run that same function, you wouldn't want to type this code each time. So what you can do is create another function, which is like delete from cart, and pass in an ID, and then put your Meteor call inside of that other function. So you would say Meteor call cart.remove, and then replace this ID with the passed in ID. That way you could take several events, like when someone clicks on the delete button, or if there's another place that they can delete, and then all you do is call the function delete from cart and pass in this ID. And we'll see that that still works just the same as it did before. The difference is now it doesn't matter how many times you call that from different places within your interface. So you can use these Meteor methods to take away some of the more destructive functionality in the application. For example, if someone goes in and finds a product in your interface and then decides that they want to set the price of that product to $1, they could say, product update, and pass in the ID of that product, and then they would just say to set the price to $1, and quite possibly this could actually change the price, so then they could buy several of these candles from you for $1, which you don't want that to ever happen. And notice what happens here is that it says update failed, access denied, and that's because we did not place any allow validators inside of our code. So that basically restricts it so that no one is able to do that without a method. And then you can secure those methods to make sure the person who's removing something is the correct person for the job. So now we've learned how to invoke methods from the client. Let's move on to our next video, which is securing data on the server.